Hi guys. So I'm sure if you've been following my story, you see that I am in the village. But I did not forget our fashion business series. I didn't forget. I just got so busy with a lot of things. But yeah, so today I remember something that I feel like I should have shared right from the very beginning and I didn't share. I would say that this is one of the biggest mistakes I've made in business as opposed to other things that I've spoken about. This one was just huge. Trivial, but huge. So this mistake is me not putting my watermark on an image. So I made a dress, this dress, and it went viral. When I say viral, it's like everybody that makes clothes in Lagos where I was, everybody probably received that picture from someone to say, oh, please make this dress for me. So people just tell me, oh, I didn't even know you were the one that made this dress. And I'm like, that's just quite sad because of a small mistake. Like putting my name there would not even take me up to 2 minutes. But I didn't do that and that cost me. So now I'm sure you must be wondering, oh, what did that cost you not putting your watermark? First of all, it had like 1 million copies. Everybody had a picture of it on their page. When I say no watermark, so then I used to have a picture of me in my store and it was right behind where I used to take pictures. Even that picture was not in the picture. So really, there was no way to say, oh, this picture is from this page or from this person. It was just like the picture fell from the sky. And so I can actually proudly say I'm one of the people that started the whole Ankara mix with stripe. This dress was like what made me start seeing Ankara and stripe everywhere. But look at the mistake I made. I didn't put my watermark. So yes, no watermark cost me my work. So a lot of people were like making the dress and you can't even blame them because there was no watermark. There was no somebody that said, oh, I made this. You can't even blame them. So they too were making and putting on their pages and using my pictures to advertise, to run ads. I saw people using my picture to run ads and, you know, of course, get orders. Number two thing that I would say this did to me was people were not able to find me. For instance, I can imagine people who are in diaspora that would have wanted that dress, but they don't know who made it. Like, people just take screenshots and crop out the Instagram name. Nobody knows who made the dress. And so I just keep imagining, how much money did I lose? How much money did I lose by not putting my watermark? How much money did I lose? I really don't know. I feel like it's a lot of money. Now, I made quite a lot of that dress because it was low priced. But even at that, I still feel like I could have made ×3 of what I made from the dress because, I mean, if I had just put my watermark, people would have been able to find me. And another thing with this watermark is, my brother actually reminded me of this while I was talking. Another thing with this watermark is you need to put your watermark where it cannot be cropped. Put it where if they crop it, they've cropped half of the cloth. And there's no point, you know, there's no point when you crop out the half of the cloth. Yes. Because I've had pictures where I put my watermark. So after that episode, I decided to be a responsible daughter of fashion. And then I would put in my watermark maybe at the bottom or at the top of the head of the mannequin. And then somebody will still crop out that part and still go ahead to use my picture to run adverts, for goodness sake. Yeah, so put your watermark where it cannot be cropped. But then don't go and make it conspicuous. So what I would advise you to do is, when you put a dress, when you've taken a picture of a dress, just put your watermark maybe by the hip side. Write your at the only Chioma by the hip side, or on the dress itself, such that they cannot crop that part out. Just find somewhere that they can crop out, but then don't go and make it big and large and then block the design that people are supposed to be checking out. So yes, that's my lesson for today. Watermark your pictures. There is nothing humble about not claiming what is yours. Absolutely nothing. Like when you keep saying, oh, I don't want people to think I'm just all about putting my name out there, advertising myself. Somebody has said that to me before and I did not even know how to feel. There is nothing humble about putting out your work and not letting people know that, oh, you made this dress. If you say you want your work to speak for you. People need to know who you are before the dress even begins to speak. What if the dress is speaking and they don't know who made the dress? That dress will just be blabbing, not even speaking. So yeah, we've come to the end of today's TED Talk. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.